This video will demonstrate absorption of microwave by a metamaterial object. The object will block most of incoming microwave while also keep small amount of reflection. First, let me remind you of behavior of metal gratings as microwave polarizer. When the metal grating is perpendicular to the receiver, the microwave can mostly go through. But when the metal grating is parallel to the receiver, the microwave is mostly blocked. Now we will show that when the microwave cannot go through, such as when the metal grating is parallel to the receiver, it is mostly reflected. On the other hand, when the metal grating is perpendicular to the receiver, the reflectance is very low. In both cases, incoming microwave must go somewhere out of the object, either transmitted or reflected. Next, we will demonstrate a metamaterial object which absorbs microwave. It will block most of incoming microwave while also keep small amount of reflection. The object is constructed by folding metallic paper into rectangular beams and then arrange them into 3 layers of horizontal gratings. When the object is placed between transmitter and receiver, it almost completely blocked the microwave. The object also shows low reflectance. Let's turn it around a little bit to show that the microwave is not reflected in slightly different direction. Let's move the object closer to the transmitter to get higher intensity, hence easier to detect microwave going out from the object. Let's see if the microwave is scattered to unexpected directions. It seems like the metamaterial indeed absorbs the microwave.